Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we'll be talking about stem and leaf plots. So here I go. The observations represent the percentages of drivers using seatbelt in a nationwide survey. And there are some percentages. The values in this data set range from 68.9% to 97.8%. Construct a stem and leaf display that uses repeated stems 6H, 7L, 7H, 8L, 8H, 9L, and 9H. Write a few sentences commenting on what the stem and leaf display suggests about the seatbelt use. So, first of all, 6 high will mean numbers from 60, actually from 65 to 69. Then 7 low from 70 to 74. Then 7 high from 75 to 79. 8 low will be from 80 to 84. Okay. Eight high from 85 to 89. 9 low from 90 to 94. And 9H from 95 to 99. Okay, so let's erase this. So it says the values range in data from 68.9% to 97.8%. So let's make a note of it. So we will not consider the number after the decimal place, after the decimal. That is 68.9 will be rounded to 68, and 97.8 will be rounded to 97. Okay, so that being the case, let's first prepare a table. Okay, so let's go back to this thing. Okay, so let's do 6 low. So 6 low from 65 to 69. Let's look for numbers between 65 to 69. There is nothing. Okay, so 6 high. Why there is nothing in 6 low? Because it starts from 68.9 as stated in the problem statement. So we are looking for numbers between 65 to 69. Let's take a quick look. I do not see anything in the first row, do not see anything in the second row of data. Let's see the third row of data. Yes, there is 168.9, which is rounded to 68, remember. Is there anything in the 6 high anymore in any other row, like the 4th row? No. Then we go to 7 low. Okay, so let me erase that. So 7 low I'm looking for. So I'm in the first row. Yes, there is a 74. So 74 is a 7 low. Okay, so next in the first row there is 74. I'm looking in the first row. There is nothing more in 77 low. How about the second row? There is a 76.6, which is 76, which is 7 high. So we will forget it. There is another 74 in the second row. Okay. So that will be another 4. Let's look in the third row. There is 174 in the third row, the first number. Then there is a 70.9. So that will be a 70. That's in the third row. And then looking through, there is no other 70s in the third row. In the fourth row, there is a 77.3 and a 79.2, which will be in 7 highs. So let's go to the 7 high. Start from the first row. There is a 74.4, which we have already accounted for. There is no other 70s in the first row. In the second row, there is a 76.6, which becomes a 76. Okay. And how about a 78.3, which becomes a 78? Then there is another 78.8, 78. So no more high 70s. Then 70 in the third row, 74, 70.9 already accounted for. No more 70s. Okay. And in the fourth row, there is a 77.3, which is a 77, and a 79.2, which is a 9. So if I move this a little bit up, so now I will do 8 low. That means from 80 to 84. Looking at the first row, there is a 82.4, which is 82. Okay. Then in the first row, there is a 80.2. So that's an 80. Okay. Then looking in the second row, 85.7, 86. These are not lows. 85 again. There is no more 80s in the second row. In the third row, 87.6, which is 8 high. Then there is a 8 low of 81. Okay. And then there is 83.6, which is 83, which is in the fourth row. Then 87.4, 87.7 are in 8 highs. Then in the last row, there is an 83. There is a 84. There is another 84. Okay, that's it. So now reduce this a little bit. Okay, now we will do 8 highs. 8 highs. Okay, 8 high. Okay, first row 88.4, which is 8 high. Then 87, which is 87.2. And 82.4. Then there's a 85.1. Okay. Then there's a 88.8, 88. And then there's 80.2, 94.1. Then in the second row, there is another 85. Okay. Then there's an 86. Okay. Then there is an 89. Then there is 85. Okay. No more 80s in the second row. In the third row, third number is 87. Then 85. Okay. Then 86. Then 87. Then again 87. Then again in the fourth row, last row, there is 87. Okay. So far, the maximum number of entries in 8 high. Okay, if we reduce this a further little bit, then we will do 9 low. Remember, 9 low is from 90 to 94. So first row I'm looking, there is a 91.9, which is 1. Then 93.2, 3. Then 97.2, then there's a 93.5, another 3. Okay. Then there is a 94.1, which is 94, basically. Okay. And then there is a 90.2 in the second row. Okay. 92.8, which is a 92. Then there is a 92.1, another 2. Then there is a 93.3, 3. Then there is a 94.7, which is 4. Okay. That's it in the 90s in the second row. In the third row, there's a 92. Then there's a 90.6, which is a 0. Okay. Then there is 97.8, which is 9 high, so we will not worry about it. Then there's a 90, what is it? 90. So this is 90, another 0. Okay. Then there is a 94.7 in the fifth row, first entry. Okay. Then there is a 94 in the fifth row, another 94. Okay. Okay. So let me just that. Okay. Now let's do the 9 highs. That is from 95 to 99. First row, there is a 95.7. Okay, then there is a 97.1. Then there is another 97.3, first row. Then in the second row, there's nothing. In the third row, high 90s, I'm looking for, there's a 97.8. So another 7. And then there's a 91 or 90.0 in the third row. It will not, we don't count for it in 9 high. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and that's it. So let's look at the let's look at our stem and leaf table now. The maximum number of entries is in 9 lows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whereas in 8 H, number of entries is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In 9 lows is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we make a note, part B. The maximum number of entries is in 8H that is from 85 to 89, and 9 low, which is between 90 to 94. Hence, the mean and median and the median percentages this is E, percentages will fall into these two classes, will fall in between these two classes. These two, in between these two classes. This distribution is skewed to the right. Skewed to the right. Why? Presence of the last presence of high percentages of use. Okay, so this means on the average, a high percentage of people, a higher percentage of people are using seat belts. People are using seat belts. Because the distribution is skewed to the right, because there are presence of large number of higher percentages. So I'll stop here today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by clicking on the right subscribe area, okay, on the bottom right. And if you subscribe to my area, then you will have access to all the stats problem that I have solved for you. So please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to watch me tomorrow. And please share this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. I will see you tomorrow with another interesting problem. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you.